Frustrated with the Bugtrap utility DLL pop-up blocking your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we get into the technical process for Bugtrap utility, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This DLL file is a third-party error handling library. It provides an automated interface for capturing application exceptions and generating detailed bug reports, which users can then submit to help developers fix software issues. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The Bugtrap utility DLL is bundled directly with Parent Software Suite, the software where you encountered your error, and is not a Windows system file. Reinstalling the application package is the safest way to restore this dependency. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Bugtrap utility file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like the Bugtrap utility DLL. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references the Bugtrap utility management. If you've regained access to the Bugtrap utility thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.